Look at these handmade art videos. They're getting millions of views on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. People can't stop watching because every step is relaxing, creative, and incredibly satisfying. With the help of free AI tools, creating colorful paper crafts and satisfying DIY videos is now easier than ever. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to make your own viral handmade art content. Let's get started. To make things easier, I've created a master prompt for you. You'll find the Google Docs link in the video description. It generates high-quality paper crafting prompts. And there's also a universal version where you only need to change the object or animal name to create new ideas instantly. Step number 1, first open ChatGPT. Once it's open, go to the Google Docs file and copy the entire master template prompt. The prompt is quite long, so make sure you copy everything carefully without missing a single line. After you've copied the complete prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and click Generate. In just a few moments, ChatGPT will suggest 10 unique paper crafting video ideas for you. Take a moment to go through the list and choose the idea you like the most. In this example, I'm selecting idea number 5. Now, simply copy the selected idea, paste it back into ChatGPT, and click Generate again. ChatGPT will then create two things for you: a detailed storyboard image prompt that visually maps out the entire crafting process, and a complete step-by-step video generation prompt based on that storyboard. Once both prompts have been generated, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. Open Google Gemini AI. Once it's ready, go back to ChatGPT and copy the storyboard image prompt. Paste the prompt into the Gemini AI prompt box and click Generate. Within a few moments, Gemini will generate your storyboard image. As you can see, it creates a clean, highly detailed storyboard with excellent consistency, showing the entire paper crafting process frame by frame in a single image. Each scene flows naturally into the next, making the storyboard a perfect visual blueprint for the final video. Once the image has been generated, download it because we'll be using it in the next step. Now that our storyboard image is ready, let's move on to step 3. Open Flow AI and upload the storyboard image you downloaded from Gemini AI. Once the upload is complete, enable the Flow AI agent. Next, click the 3 dots on the uploaded image and select Add to Prompt. This attaches the storyboard as a visual reference, allowing Flow AI to understand exactly how each scene should look and transition throughout the video. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video generation prompt, and paste it into the Flow AI prompt box. Once everything is ready, click Generate. I'll expand the agent panel so you can see what's happening behind the scenes. After analyzing the prompt, the Flow AI agent will ask for your approval before it begins generating the video. Simply approve the request and you'll see the project appear on the dashboard with the status Generating. The process usually takes just a moment. And that's it! Your paper crafting video is now complete and ready to watch. From this point onward, the workflow is exactly the same. Simply return to ChatGPT, choose another idea, paste it into the chat, and click Generate. ChatGPT will once again create 2 prompts for you: a storyboard image prompt and a video generation prompt. Copy the storyboard prompt, paste it into Gemini AI, and generate the new storyboard image. Once it's ready, download it and open Flow AI. Upload the storyboard image, add it to the prompt as a visual reference, then return to ChatGPT, copy the video generation prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. Within a few moments, your next paper crafting video will be ready. By repeating this workflow, you can create an unlimited number of unique paper crafting videos. Simply choose a new idea, follow the same steps, and you'll have a brand new video every time while maintaining the same high-quality, consistent style. Here are a few videos I created using this exact workflow. And that's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the entire process from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.